In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set kiosk mode in PowerPoint, transforming your presentation into a self-running and interactive display. If you've ever found yourself wanting your slides to flow seamlessly without manual intervention, whether for trade shows, exhibitions, or unattended displays, setting up kiosk mode in PowerPoint is the perfect solution. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once you're in, you have the option to open an existing presentation or start fresh by creating a new one. At this step, it's crucial to add all the necessary content, such as photos, tables, and any other elements you want to include, because we'll be preparing the presentation to run automatically. Next, navigate to the Slideshow tab located on the PowerPoint ribbon. That's your go-to area for all things related to presenting your slides. Within this tab, find and click on the option labeled Set up Slideshow. This will open a pop-up window where the real magic happens. Here, you'll see an option for show type. To activate kiosk mode, select the option that says Browsed at a kiosk, full screen. This setting ensures your presentation will run in full screen mode without any manual navigation needed from the audience. If you want your presentation to loop continuously, you'll need to check the box labeled Loop Continuously until ESC. This means your slides will keep playing over and over until you decide to stop them by pressing the Escape key, ideal for looping displays at public events. For those using a setup with multiple screens, there's a handy feature just for you. Under the Multiple Monitors drop-down menu, you can select the secondary monitor to display your presentation. This allows your primary screen to remain unaffected and free to use for other tasks. Now go ahead and click OK to save these settings. Your presentation is nearly ready for the kiosk experience, but we need to tackle one more set of adjustments to control how your slides advance. Navigate to the Transitions tab. Over here, locate the Advanced Slide section. Make sure you check the box next to After. This feature allows your slides to move on their own after a predetermined time. The next decision is crucial, deciding on the duration each slide will be visible. Enter your desired time, in seconds, for which each slide should display before advancing automatically. If this timing suits all your slides, click on Apply to All to apply the same duration across the board effortlessly. And there you have it. Your presentation is now set to run in kiosk mode, creating a seamless, automated experience perfect for any event. Remember, if you prefer to fine-tune these timings manually, you can use the Rehearse Timings feature in the Slideshow tab, allowing for even more precise control over your presentation flow.